Hey everyone, I want to do a little video about a problem that I'm having with my Ridgid 18 volt impact wrench. This is the biggest model that they've ever carried. It's the R86211. It's an Octane model, and it just doesn't it won't run fast anymore. It's got the controls, so I'm going to show you with 3 different batteries. So this is a regular non-octane battery, which has always worked good with it. I mainly just use it for lug nuts on tires. That's it. That's really its only job, is to do that whenever I have to work on my cars. So it's probably, I've probably had it a year, and it gets used every month or so. I'll do something with my tires, rotate them on various cars that I have, or if I help my friends work on their tires, that kind of thing. So this is an R86211, and it has these controls down here. I never touch the controls. It's always on like full speed capable. So this is what it does. And it does not matter. That was on 1. If we change it to auto 2, it does the same thing. If we change it to auto 3, a little bit more. And then there's a speed. Okay, so now the speed is to 1. Same deal. Speed is 2. Speed is 3. All right, so now we're going to take the battery off. We're going to put an Octane 9 amp on. Actually, you know what? We're going to put a brand new max output. This has got the Octane capabilities. 4 amp on there. Same deal. Go through auto 2. Every once in a while, it pulses higher for a moment. Auto 3. It wavers. Sometimes it goes a little faster. Now we're going to do the speed. Speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. It's weird. You can hear how it's wavering. It's kind of surging every once in a while. Alright, so now we're doing the old school 9 amp Octane battery. Oh, look at that. That's random though. That's full speed. I was kind of hoping it would randomly show that full speed. It runs slow on this battery too. It's just decided to run fast. Alright, so that's speed 3, speed 1. Speed 2. And then speed 3. Now we'll do auto 1, auto 2, auto 3, okay. So let's go back to the brand new battery. Oh, see, now it's working. Let's go through it again. All right, so speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, auto 1, auto 2, auto 3. All right, now let's put on the classic old school 4-amp battery. Let's see what happens here. I bet you it's gonna run fine. Yep. All right, so on speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, auto 1, auto 2, auto 3. That's with the old battery. So you saw the first running on the first 2, and then it decided to run better on the normal, on the 9-amp, and then I reran it on all these and it ran fine. So it's been random like that. It will actually not work sometimes, and sometimes it'll work fine. So give me your thoughts on have you noticed this problem before on this model or even other model, and if it's another model, give the model number. That'll help people as well. So I do have a warranty on it, so I'm going to take it to Home Depot. But I just wanted to put this video out here as an example so that people can comment and talk about this problem if they've noticed it too. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.